Hazrat Habiba, the Prophet's wife, submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may marry my other sister, the daughter of Sufyan. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you like it? She submitted, yes, moreover, I am not the only wife of you, so I wish to share my sister in goodness. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is not legitimate for me. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have heard it that you wish to marry Dhurra, the daughter of Abu Salama. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Dhurra, the daughter of Salama. I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if she had not been my stepdaughter, she would not have been legitimate for me, for she is my niece through wet nursing. Suwaiba wet nursed me and Abu Salama as well. So you must not present me your daughters and sisters. Urwa said, Abu Lahab manumitted Suwaiba. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5372.